Okie dokie.
Alright, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, we're going to begin with a phonological awareness activity. We're going to play a game called Guess My Word. I'm going to have 2 syllables, and we're going to see if you can guess the word when I join them together. Rain, bow,
Rainbow.
horse, shoe,
Horseshoe.
dough, nut,
Donut.
side, walk,
Sidewalk.
my, self,
Myself.
air, plane,
Airplane.
hot, dog,
Hot dog.
day, time,
Daytime.
grand, sun,
Grandson.
outside.
Outside.
Good job, very good. We're going to go to our 3-part drill. Our first part's the visual, so you are just going to say the sound. You're going to read the sound that you hear.
Ah. R. J. T. S. L. K. G. N. P. D. M. I. A.
Very good, good job. All right, the next part is our auditory part, where we're going to use our sand tray. Remember, we keep the sand tray on the table.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm going to say a sound. You're going to write the sound. You're going to say the name of the letter as you write the sound, and the name of the sound when you've underlined it. We can do the first one together.
Okay.
Okay, fingers up. Ready? Right. C.
C.
Good. Fingers up. D. Ready? Right.
D. D.
Good. Fingers up. Ready? Right.
F.
Good. Fingers up. G.
G.
Ready? Right.
G. G.
Very good. Fingers up.
H.
Fingers up. J.
J.
Ready? Right.
Oh, I messed up. Let's try it again. J. J. J.
Good job. Good job correcting too.
Mm-hmm.
Fingers up. Oh.
O.
Ready? Right.
O. L. O.
Good. Fingers up. Hmm.
Mmm. Yum. Mmm.
Fingers up. Hmm.
N. N. Mmm.
Fingers up. Ready? Right.
P.
Fingers up. Ah.
A.
Ready?
A.
Right.
A.
Fingers up. I.
I.
Ready? Right.
I. I.
Good. Fingers up. Ah.
Aw.
Ready? Right.
O. Aw.
Fingers up. Ready? Right.
U.
Good. Fingers up. Oh, gotta leave that sand table on the, or that sand tray on the table. That's okay. We'll take care of it later.
Alright.
It's okay.
Okay.
Fingers up. Rrr.
R.
Ready? Right.
R. R. R.
Fingers up.
S.
Ready? Right.
S. S.
And our last one. Fingers up. Ready? Right.
T.
Very good.
Thank you.
All right. So the next thing we're gonna do is go to our blending. So we'll just
Yeah. Give me that.
while you're scraping that sand back in there, we'll get us ready for our blending. And these divided into 3 piles.
Got most of it.
Thank you. All right, so on this one, we're going to say each sound and then say the word. Fingers up. Ready? Read.
R.
R.
R. Ot. Rot.
Good. Fingers up. Ready? Read.
R. Rut.
Good. Don't forget to point to each sound,
Okay.
each letter when you're making those sounds. Okay, fingers up. Ready? Read.
J. T. Jut.
Good. Fingers up. Ready? Read.
J. G. Jug.
Good. Fingers up. Ready? Read.
J. I. G. Jig.
Good. Fingers up. Ready? Read.
S. I. N. Sin.
Good. Fingers.
I. N. Sin.
Good job. Thank you for catching that for me. And this will be our last one. Fingers up. Ready? Read.
S. A. N. San.
Good job. All right. So that was our blending. That's the end of our 3-part drill. Next thing we're going to do is our vowel intensive, where we're working on a and
Okay.
So you're going to echo my sound and hold the stick up that makes that sound. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Ah,
A.
uh,
A.
ah,
A.
ah. Good. Now we're going to add a consonant on the end of that vowel. So just echo me and then hold up the stick that represents that vowel sound. At,
At.
ack,
Ack.
ut,
Ut.
uck,
Ug.
ag,
Ag.
and ugh.
Ugh.
Good. So now we are going to have some CVC words. Again, echo me and hold up the vowel sound that you hear. Cat,
Cat.
lut,
Lut.
mac,
Mac.
buck,
Buck.
zug,
Zug.
sag.
Sag.
Good job. All right. So we're going to be learning a new sound today, a new way to spell that sound. It's going to be the ch sound. You hear a ch when I say chain.
Mm-hmm.
What about in the word chin?
Chin. Mm-hmm.
And we can hear it at the end, like in such,
Mm-hmm.
or in the middle, like teacher.
Mm-hmm.
So can you make that sound? Ch, ch. Can you make it 3 times?
Ch. Ch. Ch.
Good job. So if we look at that card, what letters spell that sound?
C-H.
Very good. We have 2 sounds that are going together to make one sound.
Mm.
Or 2 letters, I'm sorry, making one sound, a digraph. So we have digraph, CH. You see our picture?
Mm-hmm.
What is that a picture of?
Chin.
And chin begins with that ch sound, doesn't it? Do you hear? Where do you hear it in that word?
It's at the front.
Very good. So something we're going to do is we're going to make a chain with our ch sounds. We have some words here that have a ch. We had chip, chop, and chug. And we're going to make a small chain and think about that CH sound. And we'll put some tape on it, just like that.
Mhm.
So if you want to go ahead and make your chain, and I'll hand you some pieces of tape for that ch. That's the word chop. Good. Now we're going to add the word chip
Okay.
to our chain.
Chain.
Good. And our last word, chug, on our
Chug.
chain. That diaphragm CH. Oh, look at chain.
It's a
Good
chain.
job. So remember our sound or our sand tray? We're gonna
Mhm.
leave that on the table.
Mhm.
We're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna write it 3 times. So fingers up. Ch, ch. Ready? Right.
Ch.
Good. Don't forget to say the name of the letters when you're writing them. So fingers up. Ch. Ready? Right.
C. H. Ch.
Very good.
C. H. Ch. C. H. Ch.
Great, great. So something we're going to do now is we are going to write some words that begin with that CH sound. Do you remember some that maybe were on our chain, or can you think of some?
Chug.
Ooh, chug. I hear that in the beginning.
Mhm.
Chug. I'm gonna write one. I'm gonna write Cheerios.
That's at the beginning too.
It is. I'm gonna move my paper like this so I can write it better. That's at the beginning. Can you think of another word that might go ch?
Match.
Ooh, that word's a little different. Where do you hear
Mhm.
that ch?
It's at the end.
Very good. And let's try to think of one more that has a ch. Can you think of another?
Catch.
Catch. Very good. Ooh, that's a different one. Where did you hear that CH?
That's at the end too.
That is at the end. So we have chug, Cheerios, match, and catch.
Mhm.
It's a pretty good list we have, huh?
Mhm.
All right, so the next thing we're gonna do is we're going to write some words. I'm gonna say some words and then you are going to write them.
Okay.
So I have a piece of paper for you and a pencil.
Okay.
So pencils up. This is the one where you're going to pound and do the sounds. So pencils up. Chip.
Chip.
Ready? Pound. Chip.
Chase.
Eh.
Eh.
Let's try that again. And let's use this hand.
Okay.
Ready?
Mhm.
Say chip.
Chip.
And let's pound it one time.
Chip.
Okay, let's put our hand out. We're going to start with our pinky and make each sound. Ch. I.
Chip.
Can you write that word now?
Chip.
Very good. Okay, pencils up. Chop. Ready? Pound.
Chop. Chop.
Good. Pencils up. Chug.
Chug.
Ready? Pound.
Chug. Chug.
Pencils up. Chad. Ready? Pound.
Chad. Chad.
Good. Pencils up. Chin. Ready? Pound.
Chin. Chin.
Pencils up. Chum. Ready? Pound.
Chum. Chum.
Pencils up. Chap. Ready? Pound.
Chap. Chap.
Very good. 2 more words. Pencils up. Chat.
Chat.
Ready? word, pencils up, such. Ready? Pound.
Such. Such.
Very good. Very nice writing. So right now we're going to read a clean copy of these words.
Mm-hmm.
Can you start right here and read these to me? And put your finger under each word as you read.
Chip, chug, chat, chin, chum, chop, chap, chat, such.
Good job. Very good. Now we're going to dictate some sentences. We just have 2 sentences. So you ready to listen?
Mm-hmm.
And we're going to pound each word, each syllable. Hal is his chum. Hal is his chum. Ready? Pound.
How is his chum?
Good.
How is his chum?
Okay, our second sentence. Chip did chop the log. Chip did chop the log. Pound.
Chip did chop the log. Chip did chop the log.
Ooh, nice sentence writing. Good job.
Thank you.
We're going to go ahead and read these on this clean copy real quick. Will you point to each word and read it to me?
How is his chum? Chip did chop the log.
Wow, great writing and reading.
Thank you.
You're really getting the hang of this. Good job.
Thank you.
All right, so the next part we're going to do is we're going to review some red words. So that's when we have our arms like this, and I say load, and you say the word, and we arm tap it. We can do this first one together. So let's go ahead. What is this word?
His.
Okay, so load, his.
His.
H-I-S, his. Very good.
Two. T-O-2. Was. W-A-S. Was. Of. O-F. Of. Has. H-A-S. Has.
Very good. Now this next set, you're just going to arm tap from memory. So, you ready? Load 4.
4. F-4. F-O-U-R. 4.
That'll work.
Was that the right 4?
Well, it's F-O-R, but that's okay.
F-O-R. 4.
And.
And. A-N-D. And.
Is.
Is. I-S. Is.
C.
C. S-E-E-C.
And our last word, he.
He. H-E. He.
All right, we're going to learn a new red word today. It's going to be the word go. Like, we will go swimming after our lesson. We will go swimming. Can you say the word go 2 times?
Go, go.
Are you ready to go swimming?
Yeah.
All right.
Let's go, go.
All right, so when we have the word go, let's count those sounds that you hear when we say the word go.
Good.
Oh. How many sounds is that?
2.
2 sounds. So I'm going to put 2 dots. 1, 2. Remember that first sound? G.
Good.
Oh. So that first sound that we hear, g, how would you spell that sound?
G. G.
G. And how would you spell O?
O.
Very good. And both of these sounds are regular letter spellings for that sound. So to spell go, we have G-O, go. G-O, go. All right, so you're going to get to write that on our bumpy board. I dropped my papers. Let me get them real quick. All right, so here is our first paper. Thank you. Need to be a little bit more organized. Can you write go 3 times? G, O, and underline it. Go. Can you say those letters?
G, O, go.
Oh, good. 2 more times.
G, O, go. G, O, go.
Very good. Good job. All right, so we're going to load that word and arm tap it 3 times. Are you ready to load it? Okay, load.
Go. G, O, go.
Load.
Load.
Go. Load the word go.
Oh, go. G, O, go.
Load.
Load?
We're loading the word go. So when I say load, you're going to say
I was confused. Go. G, O, go.
Very good. So I'll see your red crayon. Let's use your finger now to feel those bumpy letters. Can you trace it and spell it?
G, O, go.
Good job.
G, O, go. G, O, go.
Good. So now we're going to outstretch an arm. Keep this arm nice and straight. Feel that muscle up there in that shoulder, because that's the muscle we're going to use to skywrite it. Are you ready? G,
G,
O,
O,
go.
go.
Can you do that 2 more times?
G, O, go.
Good job. One more time.
G, O, go.
Good job. So I have some lined paper here. Can you write the word go on the lined paper 3 times? Just like you did right here, but we're going to do it on the lined paper.
Should I underline it too?
The same thing we're doing. We're going to be writing the G, O, and go.
G, O, go.
Good job.
G, O, go. G, O, go.
All right, now here's our tricky part. I'm going to hide all of our words that say go. I have one more line there. Can you use the pencil to try to write go? That same way. G, O.
G, O, go.
Good. 2 more times.
Okay. G, O, go.
Good.
G, O, go.
Very good. All right. So we're going to have 2 sentences that we're going to write that has this new red word in it. Okay, let me get you some lined paper right here. So on these lines, we're going to write these sentences. Are you ready to listen? Can I see him go? Can I see him go? Can you pound that?
Can I see him go?
Good job. Let's try to write that on that line. Very good. We have one more sentence. Go and chop the log. Go and chop the log. Can you pound that?
Go and chop the log.
Very good.
Go and chop the log. Okay. Go and chop the log.
Very good. Good job. I like those sentences. So right here, we're going to have a clean copy of those sentences. Can you read that clean copy of those sentences for me?
Can I see him go? Go and chop the log.
Super duper. You are doing excellent today. And this is our last part. We're going to work on our oral reading, our practicing I see so many CHs in there. Listen to that title of our story. The chums, chop and chop. Do you know what chums means? The chums?
Friends.
And chop. What do you think chopping is?
I don't know. Is it karate?
Oh, it might be. I bet we can read and find out. And I bet we're going to have a lot of ch sounds. Can you point to those words? And let's practice reading our story.
Chip is a chap. Chud is his chum. Chip did chop a log. He can chip and chop, chop and chip. Did Chad see Chip chop the log? Can Chad chop? Chad can chop and chip. Chad chops and chats. Chad and Chip chat, chat, chat. No. A chip of the log hit Chad on the chin. Mom had to chat at Chad. He cannot chop and chat. Mom had to chat at Chip. He cannot chop and chat. The chums cannot chop and chat. Chop, chip, chat. Once, or Chip and Chad chat, not chop, chat, 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 chat.
Oh, good. Did you find out what chop meant? What could they be chopping? You think they're using karate chops?
Chad can chop and chip. Chad chops and chats. Chad and Chip chat, chat, chat.
Not the chat.
Does it mean that he's teasing him? Chopping?
It might be. That doesn't sound like a nice friend thing to do, does it?
Maybe like they're just playing.
Thank you for working very hard on our CH lesson.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
You're welcome.